Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the some examples of the positive and negative derivation non-ideal solutions. Okay, you know that the non-ideal solution behavior depends upon the interaction among the solute-solute, solvent-solvent, and the solute-solvent molecules. When the interaction among the solvent-solvent molecules and the solute-solute molecules is less in compared to the interaction in between the solvent-solute molecules. In that case, the solution behaves like the negative deviation non-ideal solution. Okay, and converts for the positive deviation non-ideal solutions. Now we take some examples of the positive and negative deviation non-ideal solutions. First one, we take the mixture of the ethanol and acetone. You know that in ethanol there is hydrogen bonding. Due to the entering of the molecules of the acetone in the ethanol, it breaks some hydrogen bonding. That's why the mixture of ethanol and acetone show the positive deviation non-ideal solution. Okay. In the next one, we take the mixture of the carbon disulfide and acetone. Carbon disulfide and acetone, suppose this is carbon disulfide and this is acetone. Okay. And this is the interaction in between the molecules of the carbon disulfide and acetone. We know that in between the molecules of the carbon disulfide and acetone there is no any interaction, there is no any type of hydrogen bonding, etc. That's why the escaping tendency increases. So the mixture of carbon disulfide and acetone behaves like a positive deviation non-ideal solution. Okay. Now we take some examples of the negative deviation non-ideal solution, in which we take the mixture of the phenol and aniline. What happens in between phenol and aniline? The phenolic proton combines with the lone pair of the electron of the nitrogen of the aniline. In between these two, the hydrogen bonds are formed. That's why the interaction among the solvent-solute molecules becomes stronger in compared to the solvent-solvent and the solute-solute interaction molecules. That's why the mixture of phenol and aniline shows the negative deviation. Okay. Another example of the negative deviation non-ideal solution is the mixture of the acetone and chloroform. In between acetone and chloroform, again hydrogen bonds form with the oxygen of the acetone and the hydrogen of the chloroforms. Okay, so that's why the solvent-solute molecules interaction becomes stronger in compared to the solvent-solvent and the solute-solute interaction. That's why the mixture of acetone and chloroform, this shows the negative deviation from the ideal behavior. So in this way, sometimes in the board exams, definitely whenever the definition of the ideal or non-ideal solution is being asked, definitely some examples are also asked, so it is good to learn. Okay. Now another good topic is the azeotropic mixtures. Okay. So first one, we should know what is the meaning of the azeotropic mixture. Azeotropic mixture are those mixtures which boil at constant temperature, or you can say in other words, they behave like a single liquid. They are mixture of two, but they behave like the single liquid. For example, and another good thing, the composition. On basis of composition, we also can decide whether this is azeotropic mixture or not. In regarding composition, liquid as well as in vapor. in both states the compositions are same. Suppose in liquid state the composition is 40% 60%, then in their vapor state we will get again the composition 40-60%. Such type of mixtures are called azeotropic mixtures, which have the same composition in liquid as well as in vapor state. Okay. The azeotropic mixture may also be divided into two parts. Okay. These are minimum boiling azeotrope, minimum boiling azeotrope, and maximum boiling azeotrope. Now, why these are called minimum boiling azeotrope? The solutions which show the positive deviation from the ideal behavior are called minimum boiling azeotrope because they have the escaping tendency. The interaction among the solvent-solute molecules is lesser in compared to the interaction in between the solvent-solvent and the solute-solute molecules. So they have escaping tendency, so they boil at less temperature. That's why they are called minimum boiling azeotrope. Another one good example of this type of minimum boiling azeotrope is the mixture of 95% ethanol in water. The second one is the maximum boiling azeotrope. The solutions which show the negative deviation from the ideal behavior are called the maximum boiling azeotrope. If some is such type of solutions from the azeotrope, then they will be called maximum boiling azeotrope. Why? Because the interaction in between the solvent-solute molecules is more in compared to the interaction among the solvent-solvent and the solute-solute molecules. That's why they boil at less temperature. That's why they boil at higher temperature. That's why they are called maximum boiling azeotrope. Okay, a good example may be taken, that is 68% of nitric acid plus 32% water. This mixture behaves like the maximum boiling azeotrope. And another good property of the azeotropic mixture that they cannot be separated by the help of the fractional distillation. Why? Because they boil at constant temperature, and this boiling is the basis of the fractional distillation. Okay, thank you.